Hi friends, today in this video I will show you if your EPSON printer is not giving black ink print or is giving blank page printing. So see here I have taken a nozzle check print in which black ink is not coming and color is also missing. So now I am going one Xerox and show you how my printer is printing. So I am going to put this on the scanner and do a black Xerox. Here I have pressed the black button and now the printer is printing. See, blank page comes out, not print color. So if your printer is having this issue and blank page printing, so this problem occurs due to printer head jam, and this problem reason if your printer turn off for long days or if there is a excess black Xerox, that reason this problem. So how to fix this? There is a stop button in the printer. You have to press and hold it, and when the power light is blinking, you have to release it. By doing this, it's clean the head your printer and it is fix the problem. You have to do this immediately when you have this problem. Okay, this will take you 10 to 15 minutes. This is a long time process. Your printer will be ready when the green light still blink. You just wait for few minutes. So see here the green light of the printer has comes on. That's mean our printer is ready. Now he will do a Xerox and see if this printer is fixed or not. So here I am going to give a black Xerox by placing this on the scanner, and let's see if this Xerox comes or not. See here a perfect printing is coming. That's mean our head issue has been fixed. See, by doing this, if the printer correct printing. If you are facing this problem, then by doing this I have shown in the video, your problem will be solved. Okay, and if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the new video. Thank you.